Hi all, today I'm going to show you how to make this pillow latkan, and here I'm showing you the simple trick and easy way you can make these kind of latkans for your lehengas and also for dresses and also blouse bags. So now let's start. I took the piece of fabric which is a printed fabric. So here I'm taking the piece of 2 by 2, two pieces I'm taking, 2 inches width and 2 inches height. So here I'll make 2 pieces and then start stitching on 3 sides. Why? Because I told you that this is a pillow latkan, so for 3 sides you need to stitch. This shape is square shape, so on 4 sides you no need to stitch. First you need to stitch 3 sides and then keep the stuff on inside. So let's start the sewing on this 3 sides, complete it. Okay, so now start stuffing on this stitched piece. Turn on right side and then insert the stuff. This stuff is it will be available in craft shops. This stuff is nothing but like you use in soft toys making, or else you can use this it's a very lightweight stuff, or else you can use the cotton also, but here stuff is better because it's latkans. When we wash it, it won't be spoiled. So I'm just keeping it inside and stitching on the right side. The remaining fourth side also I'm closing it. Once I complete the closing, the pillow will be ready. The square pillow will be ready. You can make different kind of shapes. I'll also show you those models also in future videos, but here I'm showing you the simple square type pillow latkan. Okay, so here guys, once you complete this, you need to decorate these items with dories and some beads and motifs. So here I'll show you the complete process. First of all, finish this pillow. So now take the ready-made dory. This is a small dory I have took. So here it's a beaded dory, small one. So I'll start the stitching with the sewing needle, small sewing needle. All I have used the stitching everything with this sewing needle only. I didn't use the machine, so anyone can do it this kind of latkans very easily. Okay, so Once I complete this small dory, I'll start the stitching of 3 pearl rings. Okay, to just the decorating purpose only I am making this, because I need this kind of designs, so I am doing this. If you have any designs in your mind, you can do it. Okay, so it's so simple. And you can also make different variety of shapes. You can take the beads, or else you can take the lorries, and you can take any kind of small beads, and start the stitching all complete 4 sides also you can decorate it. But I'm only taking the diamond shape because it's a square type of pillow I have taken. So I'm just making this square, I'm turning it to diamond latkan. Okay, so here what I'm just stitching with a sewing needle. So let's complete this process everything. And once you complete this, you need to make one big bead on the top side, because I said it's a latkan, so you can uh, just simply hang it over for any kind of thread dories or any ready-made dories. So you just need to make with the hanging type of latkan. Okay, so what I'm doing, I just finished the dory stitching. Now stitching with the pearl rings on the just beside. I'm decorating with 3 rings. Okay, so now take the eye pin. Okay, so one big bead and 2 small beads I took, and also the jump ring. So here what I'm doing, I took the eye pin here. Eye pin will be a ring type of eye pin. I took this. So here what I'm doing, on that eye pin I'll insert one bead, small bead and big bead, then again small bead. Now I'll use the piler to make the ring on the top side. I'm also taking the jump ring here. I'll insert this jump ring to this pillow latkan, so that pillow, and I'll attach this big bead attachment also to that pillow. Okay, so simple you can make it, so that it will be like turned to hanging type of latkan. So you can attach with the fabric dories or any ready-made dories. Okay, any kind of threads you can use it for your designer dresses or blouses or any lehengas and all. So guys, that's it. So hope you people have liked it. Please give a like button and also share it in your communities. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Also click on bell button to get immediate notification whenever we upload the new videos. Thanks for watching.